Energy efficiency is a top priority for homeowners in Deltona, where the warm, humid climate can lead to high cooling costs for much of the year. One of the most effective ways to enhance your home's energy efficiency is through professional window installation. High-quality, properly installed windows can reduce heat transfer, lower utility bills, and enhance overall comfort in your home. Here's how professional window installation can make a difference. Proper sealing and insulation to eliminate air leaks. One of the most common causes of energy waste in homes is air leakage through improperly sealed windows. When windows are not installed correctly, small gaps around the frames can lead to unwanted drafts, making it harder to maintain indoor temperatures. Higher energy consumption, as HVAC systems work overtime to compensate for temperature fluctuations. Increased humidity levels, contributing to mold and mildew growth in Deltona's climate. Professional window installers ensure a perfect fit, sealing all gaps and insulating the frame properly to prevent air leaks and energy loss. Energy-efficient window features that maximize savings. Modern energy-efficient windows come with advanced features designed to reduce heat transfer and enhance insulation. Some of these key features include double or triple pane glass. Creates a thermal barrier to keep your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. Low emissivity coatings. Reflect infrared heat while allowing natural light inside, reducing reliance on artificial cooling. Argon or krypton gas fills. These inert gases between panes enhance insulation and minimize heat exchange. When installed by trained professionals, these energy-efficient features maximize their performance, ensuring long-term energy savings. Reduction in heat gain and lower cooling costs. In Florida's hot and sunny climate, excessive heat gain through windows can put a strain on air conditioning systems. Professionally installed energy-efficient windows can help by blocking heat penetration, keeping indoor temperatures stable, reducing reliance on air conditioning, leading to lower energy bills, minimizing glare and UV exposure, protecting furniture and flooring from sun damage. By preventing excess heat from entering your home, your HVAC system operates more efficiently, ultimately extending its lifespan and reducing repair costs. Improved moisture control and indoor air quality. Deltona's humid environment can cause condensation buildup on older or poorly installed windows, leading to mold and mildew growth, which can impact indoor air quality and health. Water damage to window frames and walls, requiring costly repairs. Inefficient insulation, allowing heat and moisture to enter your home. Professional window installers use proper sealing techniques and high-quality materials to prevent moisture infiltration, keeping your home dry and comfortable. Lower carbon footprint and increased sustainability. By improving energy efficiency, new windows reduce overall energy consumption, which has a direct environmental benefit. Eco-friendly window installations help lower greenhouse gas emissions by reducing electricity demand, decrease dependency on artificial heating and cooling systems, create a more sustainable home, improving overall energy conservation. For Deltona homeowners looking to reduce their carbon footprint, investing in energy-efficient window installation is a responsible and cost-effective choice. Increasing property value and long-term savings. It's a home with modern, energy-efficient windows is more appealing to buyers and offers greater resale value. Benefits include higher market value, as energy efficiency is a sought-after feature. Faster home sales, since buyers prefer homes with lower energy costs. Long-term financial savings, reducing utility bills for years to come. With professional window installation, you're not just improving your current living conditions, you're making a long-term investment in your home's value. Why professional installation matters. While DIY window installation may seem like a money-saving option, improper installation can lead to long-term energy loss and costly repairs. Hiring professionals ensures precise measurements for a snug, airtight fit. Proper insulation and sealing techniques, eliminating potential air leaks. Warranty coverage on both materials and labor, providing peace of mind. A trusted window installation company will ensure that your new windows perform at their highest level, delivering maximum energy efficiency and durability. Final thoughts. The smart choice for Deltona homeowners. Investing in professional window installation is one of the best ways to enhance energy efficiency, reduce cooling costs, and improve home comfort in Deltona. By upgrading to modern, well-sealed, and energy-efficient windows, homeowners can enjoy lower utility bills, better indoor air quality, and long-term savings. If you're ready to upgrade your home with energy-efficient windows, consult with a professional window installation expert in Deltona to explore the best options for your home. A well-installed window today means a cooler, more cost-effective home for years to come.